Okay, so this is a fresh installment of Linux Mint. I have just booted up in my VMware Workstation Pro VM environment. And there's a bit of a problem. I want to open the terminal, but I can't. As soon as I press the terminal, it just spins and nothing is happening. I can right click, open in terminal, nothing happens here also. I've seen some guides where you can go to the settings and change the language, and by that you can have it work. But I've tried English, I've tried Canadian. We can even try now to put this on English Canada, and it will we will do a reboot, restart, and we can see if these hacks actually help. But last time it didn't help for me, so I will show you what happens when I log in. TSS, I will put my password and we will log in again. I will hit the terminal. It's not opening. So I don't know if this only works for Mint or every Ubuntu or even Debian based systems. But what works for me at least is I do a reboot. I hold shift, so I will get into the GRUB. Advanced options anyway for Linux Mint. I hit this one. I hit recovery mode. And here we will get a couple of options eventually. And then we will go with drop to root shell prompt. So I will hit that. And we are now in the root. We can type add user and then the new username. For example, we can just go with test for this one. Okay, new password. I will just go with 1234. 1234. And yeah, okay, so we have added the new user. Now let's put sudo access on this user. Sudo and test. Now let's try a reboot and let's log in to the actual full GUI version of Linux Mint and see if it solved it. So we are actually on test. I will go 1234. Hit enter and we will try the terminal and it works. So there is something definitely wrong with the user files when installing, at least in a VM environment, and at least for me. But hopefully this helps you also if you have trouble opening the terminal in Mint, Ubuntu, or maybe even Debian based system. Okay guys, take care, subscribe, like the video, bye bye.